is a dish that you will find in almost every household on the island of St. Lucia. And today I'll show you just how easy it is to make. First, we grab a pot, heat it up, add some olive oil. Next we'll add some curry powder and then some paprika. Next, we'll add 1 clove of fresh garlic and 2 diced carrots. Add some fresh ground black pepper and salt. I love the flavor that thyme releases, so I'm going to add about a branch into my pot. You can either grab the leaves off the branch or you can put the branch directly into your pot and just be sure to remove it close to the end. Okay, so now it's time to add our lentils to our pot, and I've added some warm water in my lentils. Stir and then cover off with a lid and let cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the lentils begin to soften. I'm going to remove the branches of the thyme just before adding our rice to our pot. Okay, so we're ready to add 1 cup of basmati rice to our lentils. Be sure to give your rice a quick rinse under cold water before adding it to your lentils. Cover your pot and let your rice and lentils simmer for about 5 minutes while checking it in between. It looks like our rice and lentils are very close to being done. At this point, I will grab a small amount just to give it a taste test to make sure that my lentils are cooked as well as my rice. Here you can decide how grainy or how soft you would like your rice and lentils to cook. If you like your rice a little bit softer, I'd say just add about a 1/4 cup of water and reduce the heat to let the rice cook a little longer. Okay, so our rice and lentil dish is all done. I love this dish because it can stand alone as a vegan dish. It has the proteins in the lentils, it has the carbs and the vegetables, which are the carrots. Or if you'd like, you can add your steak or chicken or pork, whatever you'd like, to the rice and lentils. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.